Welcome back. Our sponsors at Spectrum Health have been diagnosing and treating individuals with mental health and substance abuse disorders since 1973. Here to tell us more about it is Clinical Director Lainey White. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Now, you're the Clinical Director of Spectrum Health's East Buffalo Urgent Care Center. So
Yes.
what is this and what kinds of services are offered at the care center?
So Spectrum Human Services has opened up a crisis center, and the crisis center is embedded within Christian Vincent Respite Recovery Center. And we're embedded with several other companies like Rome, which is Recovery Options Made Easy, Restoration Society, which is the Renewal Center. So we all work in collaboration to try to make sure that we create a blanket of services around a person, whether they're discharged from a hospital or they're walk-ins. Kind of walk across the hall, make sure we tap on the door and say, this person is in need of this, and that's a part of our referral process.
That's nice. Okay, so how does the collaboration of other agencies work together to really benefit all the people that walk in?
So Rome has like two different programs. They have beds. All of the programs there are peer-based programs. And so if Rome gets someone who comes from ECMC and they're discharged there, and they might be in the need of housing, or they might be in need of DSS or some type of resource out in the community, they'll literally walk them over across the hall to Spectrum, and then we try to do a rapid engagement, right? So instead of this 7 to 8 day thing, we want to see them as soon as they walk in, help them de-escalate and help to facilitate their needs.
Which is huge. We talk about this a lot with the mental health crisis we're facing. The worst thing that can happen for a person struggling and taking it upon themselves to reach out for help is to be told that they have to wait for that help, right? So you guys kind of work together to tag team and make sure it's kind of a hub, and there's something for everyone. Now, Spectrum Health's Buffalo Hope team is also there. What are the hours at the center?
Buffalo Hope is there. We have one of the gentlemen there that is near and dear to my heart, Mr. Peterson, who will assist people with wellness. Again, making sure that they're reaching out to resources in the community to help in whatever type of need, but also de-escalating as well. The center is open from 8:30 in the morning to 4:30 in the evening.
Nice, okay. You also co-host Spectrum Health's podcast, Spectrum Health Journey. What can you tell us about that?
Spectrum Health Journey. I do love it. I do love it. I get a chance to talk to many different people about mental health, substance use, struggles. In Buffalo, we went through some harsh weather, and it caused a lot of harm and a lot of hurt. And we get a chance to have a conversation with, just recently we got to talk to Common Councilwoman Leah Pope, right? And so that was a great interview. Also speaking to the barbershop owner, Hakeem Hicks, along with a young man that he mentored, Mr. Middlebrooks. And that was good conversations we're having. And those were like during webinars, but we were able to have those great conversations with people to help us to be able to reach an audience, to help us get past stigma, help with awareness of suicide attempts, right? As well as when people follow through. Overdose prevention. We had many people come in and have conversations to help us to be able to create awareness.
Let's talk about the upcoming event that's happening. It's called Not One More, Stand Together to End Overdose. Tell us about that.
Yeah, that's a great event that Spectrum hosts. I love to see all of the different vendors come out, a lot of literature about medication management, assisted treatment. They come out with the Narcan kits. They identify ways of gaining Narcan kits, and that harm reduction team will also be out. They're going to have different tables as well as activities and events. They're going to have bands out there. The Kensingtons are going to be there. They also, within Spectrum, the MAT team, they have like a banner that goes out, and people can bring a picture in of lost ones to overdoses, right? And they get to sign the banner and be a part of the day, you know? It's going to be a great event. It's at 5 in the evening on the 26th.
Okay, It's going to be outside at the park, right?
It's going to be at the state park. I think this is Main and Union Road.
Okay.
Yeah, it's going to be at the Veterans State Park.
Nice. Okay. Now, if people are interested in hearing more about your podcast, where can they listen to it?
Oh, call me. Call me so we can have you on. No, it's going to be at www.shswny.org.
Okay. Nice.
Yes, and they can go in there and learn about Buffalo Hope, where they will be located in the city, because we do try to advertise always the awareness of substance use, the awareness of mental health, and how and who can help. And Buffalo Hope always, they always want to go out and help as much as they can, and promote a decrease in stigma, and so you can go on there and find out their locations. You can find out about the Narcan kits. You can find out about the MAT program, the Medicaid assisted program, and so much more.
Alrighty. Thank you so much for coming in and sharing more. It's clear you're very passionate about what you do.
Thank you.
Viewers, if you would like more information on everything our sponsors at Spectrum Health can do for you, just visit shswny.org. Thanks again for coming in.
Thank you.